Hello everybody, it's Jeremy, and I got a new project to start today. I've got a friend named Daryl that would like me to build him an oak shoe rack for his closet. Daryl's got large feet, he's got size 16 feet, and he can't just go up to the box stores and get a cheap old shoe rack from the box stores, so he's asked me to make something for him. So this is what I have in mind. A few years ago, as part of the deal with a church out in Berkeley, Michigan, I made them a bunch of pub tables and bar stools and some other tables for them. They gave me cash and a bunch of their old pews that they were taking out. These are solid oak. We'll get these out, we'll get them planed down, and start getting them cut to sizes. So that was one of the seats, made 4 pieces for me. We're going to repeat that a couple more times and then take them on into the planer. That's those all planed down. And next we're going to plane down, this would have been like the top railing to the back of the seats. They're a little thicker. We're going to use these as the legs, and we're going to plane these curves and everything out of them. Got the legs all planed down. So I've pretty much got the frame put together. Got the runners attached to the legs. And now I'm working on the flooring braces. do one side of those. Otherwise, we're going to get too thin. And that's all the slats. Okay, we're at the point where we're going to start installing the slats. I've got 3 of them put in here. The first one I've got grooved out so that it fits around the legs. I've got these little spacers to keep them equally spaced out. Alright, that's 4 done, and about 35 more to go. Alright, this is the final build and delivered to Daryl.
This is great. Thank you so very much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.